Hey guys, welcome back to Ari the Stag. TR Tony here, sat outside on a beautiful November sunny day. Lovely to see the sunshine out, and I'm out and about doing my day job. Just thought I'd check in for this week, a very brief check-in. Many of you will remember a few months ago, almost a year ago now, we bought a Triumph 2500S Auto. It was brought over from, I think, over in Bristol somewhere, and the plan was to break it down, get it all refettled and back onto the road. The idea was originally to make it a fairly quick turnaround in tandem with UNY49M, the Triumph Stag that we're currently working on, as you know, and due back imminently. Cut a long story short, we got to the summertime. I bought lots of panels for it and spoke to Alan, the welder, around about August time, and we had the chance to have a really proper good look at the car by then, and his view was that he could do the welding, but that it would take quite a bit of effort to redo it. Now, if you were doing it on your own, and I'm not a competent welder, unfortunately, then that would be actually okay. They would it would be a viable proposition. So the car is solid, and all together, this 2500S that we got in carmine red and with biscuit interior, but that it would take a lot of effort to re-weld it. So where did I want to be? By that time, I'd also bought quite a few panels. No doubt one or two of you have seen the video that we did earlier in the year. I showed you the wings that we bought and the various kind of other panels we bought. Spent quite a bit of money, probably about £2,500 on OEM standard panels, plus one or two other kind of second-hand parts that I managed to source, such as like a driver's door and a boot lid and stuff like that, which was really handy, and are good to go. But the overall conclusion was that, you know what, it's going to cost quite a bit of money to get Alan to do it for us. I can't weld, so I think this probably reflects some of the issues that we have as car restorers, that sometimes the heart rules ahead, and so I cut long story short, I need to move the car on. So the decision was made, and subsequent to that, I also had my 60th birthday not that long ago, so I've been up on the internet again, and in Scotland I found another car, 2500S, that is running. It's been off the road for a couple of years. I'm just getting it looked at now, and the plan is to drive it back down from way up north to south in due course and bring it home. So I'll be obviously filming that when we get to it. I'll keep that as a pleasure in store for now. But meanwhile, I've actually put the car on eBay, and it's running live this week, the original one that we got earlier this year. And somewhat a bit disappointed in myself that I've had to let it go, but I think equally I've got to be realistic as well. So the car is on its way, and I think the auction finishes this Sunday. So if you happen to be interested in a project, you know where to go. I'll put the link in the video, so you've got that as well. But yeah, I think at the end of the day, you've got to be realistic, as I say, and really focus on the UNY49M Stag, and perhaps not get too distracted with the other project that I think probably would have soaked up quite a lot of money of mine if I got Alan and others to do the welding. So there we go. It is one of those things, and maybe I'll just run back to January. We filmed a few bits and pieces then, so let's just have a quick whistle-stop tour of what we had, still have, and we're looking to shift on this weekend. All right, guys. Well, it is what it is. As I've said, it's one of those things. It's a lovely car. I love it. It's a bit still. I think I have to be realistic. Life is a bit too short, so it's on its way this weekend with the engine going separately and probably the panels as well. Hasn't actually sold as we speak right now, but there may be one or two out there who would like to have a bit of an investment, but entirely up to you how you want to play it. But yeah, there we go. So I'll be back to you next week with more updates on Triumph Stags and how things are going on UNY. In the meantime, have a really great week. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we always love the thumbs up. Thank you very much for all of those that do that. That's really much appreciated. We have Saturday sockets on a Saturday. It's our email that goes out on the website every week. If you want to see it, then get on the website, sign up, and you'll get it to your inbox. And we also have the Harry the Stag badge of honour, as you know, which is something you can proudly display on your car of any description. Doesn't have to be a Stag, to show that you are also sharing the classics dream with us. Okay, great. Well, have a great week, guys, and we'll see you online on Harry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now. Bye.